Enjoy layers of potato and cauliflower topped with tangy jalapeno Monterey Jack cheese smothered in a luscious 4-cheese cream sauce. Lately, I've been combining 5 basic ingredients to create an interesting alternative to my original scalloped potatoes recipe: russet potatoes, cauliflower, onion, jalapeno Monterey Jack cheese, and Classico's 4-cheese alfredo sauce. I'm starting with preparing the cauliflower. After removing the outer leaves, I'll cut the cauliflower in half. Half of this large cauliflower will be enough to create the enhanced version of my original scalloped potatoes recipe. I'll cut through the cauliflower to create several slices. I'm grabbing a collection bowl and transferring my cauliflower slices. The crumbly bits will be useful too. I'll slide them into the collection bowl with the sliced cauliflower pieces. The onion is next. After slicing off the stem and root end and removing the skin and tough outer layer, I'll slice this onion into rings. One layer inside this onion is soft, brown, and mushy. See? I'll discard the rest of this onion and grab another. This onion is perfect. These slices join the others in their own collection bowl. I'll set the onion bowl aside with the cauliflower bowl for later. The russets are last. I'm peeling the potatoes last because once the potatoes are peeled, they brown quickly when exposed to air. These russet potatoes are perfect, uniformly shaped with few eyes or buds and easy to peel. I'll rinse this potato to remove the dirt and check for unpeeled skin. This russet potato is lovely, clean and free of skin. It's ready for the next step, scalloping. I'm slicing the russet in thin slices. If the slices are too thick or different thicknesses, they won't cook through evenly. Some slices will be cooked and softer, and some will be undercooked and tougher. To enjoy this dish, it's important to aim for thin and evenly sliced potato scallops. These potato scallops are collected in their own bowl. I'll continue peeling, rinsing, and slicing these russets until I have 1.5 pounds, equivalent to 681 grams of prepared potato. With my 3 collection bowls ready and my 9-inch by 12-inch baking dish, it's time to assemble the scalloped potato and cauliflower dish. I'm starting with a layer of potato slices and overlapping each layer by covering approximately 3/4 of the previous potato slice. Next, a layer of onion. I'm separating the rings of onion and scattering them haphazardly over the potato layer. The cauliflower slices are next. Place side by side on top of the onions. Potato slices once again, then onion, then cauliflower, until the entire baking dish is filled with layers of potato, onion, and cauliflower. I've been assembling this dish with a final layer of jalapeno Monterey Jack cheese. I don't know exactly how much cheese I've been adding. I'll weigh the cheese to determine how much I'll need for the recipe, so I'll be able to calculate the calories and nutrition info per serving. I'm aiming for 200 grams of cheese to start. This piece weighs 95 grams. I'll need more cheese. "205 grams, a little too much. I'll cut some, remove it, and reweigh. 200 grams, perfect. I'll shred this cheese and see how much I'll need to cover the scalloped vegetable layers. I'm adding a lot of cheese. The first block of cheese is shredded with the larger grate. The second block with the finer grate. This looks good. The scalloped vegetables are smothered in cheese. Let's see how much unshredded cheese is left over. 50 grams. We started with 200. With 50 grams left over, we've shredded 150 grams of cheese into this baking dish. Before this dish is baked, there's still 2 more minor ingredients to add. Salt, a half teaspoon, and freshly cracked peppercorns. And finally, the Classico sauce. After pouring most of the sauce evenly over everything, I'm adding 1/3 of a cup of water to the remaining sauce, recapping and shaking well. Then adding the thinned out remaining sauce. A layer of foil covers the dish to keep the scallop vegetable combination from drying out while baking. While I've been preparing the dish, my oven has been preheating. With my oven set to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, the scalloped potato and cauliflower will bake for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, it's time to check to see if this dish is ready to come out of the oven. This looks perfect. Time to take this dish out of the oven. Doesn't this dish of scalloped potato and cauliflower look amazing? It's ready to serve. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click the notifications bell to get all the latest under 300 calories recipes.